Hello and welcome to the video tutorials for the teacher training at educationalpaths.com. If you haven't signed for this course, then please do so at this address. If you have, then you know that I'm Alvaro, the course coordinator, and this is a video on some of your frequently asked questions, in this case about transport. Now, how to get to places. First of all, well, very easy. Use a search engine like ecosia.org, because when you search, basically you are some of the funding from the others go to planting trees, and I like the environment, so that's what I do. Anyway, so put here the address. So for example, the address for educational paths is here. Is Calle El Paciente Inglés 17, and then Zaragoza, and then you click enter, and then it goes into here. You can click directly into maps. It goes into Google Maps at the end, because Ecosia doesn't have the technology, but they do that, and that's it. So it shows in a map where we are. Then you can just click directions. You can click directions from anywhere in the, wherever. So you can click from, say, if you were in Plaza España, Zaragoza, which is right at the center, and then you click here. Obviously, you can walk. Walking it takes over just over an hour. Probably wouldn't take this path. This is the shortest, but there are other paths that are nicer. But in any case, you can cycle. It's very good. I know that some of you are very good cycling. This is a very good path. Yeah, it follows pretty much the tramway, and there is a cycling route there. Please do ask your host families if they have bicycles that you can borrow. Remember that you are responsible for your family's cycles, so especially if the bikes are good, make sure that it's with you, because if you get it stolen, then you will have to pay for it. For example, we have a bike that is pretty bad, and with a relatively bad padlock, it's okay. It's safe to put it in the streets. If I had it stolen, I will not miss the money that the bike is worth, because it's not worth much, but I will miss the number of hours that I spend fixing it. So anyway, and this is with public transport. So public transport just takes you like this. In this case, it's very simple, because from Plaza España you just have a direct tram that takes just over 20 minutes to go over here. But if not, then they will put you the combination of possibly tram and buses. And when you do this, when you have like a different connection, so 2 different buses or whatever, and you probably have a card. If your host family has not provided you with a traveling card, please let me know. If you're here in Zaragoza, so if you have that card, then you can just beep it every time you take a new transportation. If you do that within, I think, 1 hour or something, you don't pay more, because what happens is that it does the transfer. So it just clicks, so you can legally travel, but then it doesn't take more credit. Each trip costs only about 75 cents, and so it's relatively cheap to travel in Zaragoza. Obviously, when you're traveling a lot, then eventually trip after trip it does run out of credit. It is very important, unless unless your host families they're giving you unlimited credit, might not have done that, and that any trip that you have to do for for your training, we can pay for that. So if you need credit for that, send me an email and say, Alvaro, I will need some credit, because I plan to do these so many trips for my lessons, and then I will need, say for example, 10 euros, and then I would say, yes, go ahead, buy put the credit, get a receipt. Very important in Zaragoza. For some reason, whether you're paying with credit card or cash, you need to select that you want a receipt before you pay. This is very important, and I need receipts to refund your money. If you don't get receipts, then I'm sorry, I cannot refund your money, and that's it. So just send me an email. I need I need credit for these trips, and then I will say yes, go ahead, and then you just get the credit. And when I see you here, then you just come with the receipt, and I'll give you the money. Yeah, simple. If for whatever reason, maybe you are doing this course somewhere else, and you still need, and you're not doing distance, and you still need to get some public transport, then send me an email, and I will arrange a way that I can do with PayPal or something to get you the money, and then you can just send me the receipt somehow. Okay? Obviously, this is specifically for transport, but if you need anything else for your lessons, I think I put this in the resources video, but if not, just anything that you need, let me know, send me an email, and then if it's necessary, I'll probably say yes, and then it pretty much works the same way. You get the approval, you get a receipt, you come to me, and then I give you the money back. Okay? Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.